Today we're going to be changing the driver's side taillight on a 2013 Honda Odyssey. And this is the reason why. You're going to need an 8mm socket or a screwdriver for these two bolts right here. It's tough doing this with one hand, I guess. But, you know, these come out pretty easily. So make sure when you're putting it back in, you don't over tighten them. It's quite easy to do. Okay, the bolts are out, and then we're just going to wiggle this thing and pull it. I may need to use two hands on this. Let's see if I can pull from up here. No. Okay, we're back, and I just used two hands to pull it out. It's just these two little notches that are push in and pull out. So just as two bolts is all you got to worry about. And then we're going to take the lights out. You turn, remove the bulb. And this, wonder if I can get this with one hand. Okay, I'll have to get a screwdriver. You have to push that little pin in, and then it should come right out. Scratch that. You don't. You just twist it. Same as the other one. All right. Now it's out. We'll just reverse the process to put this in. I decided to remove the old bulbs because the new assembly comes with bulbs already installed. This one, see, I was looking a little dark there, so I'm just going to keep these as replacement bulbs. But all it took was a small flathead screwdriver, kind of jamming in and releasing the little clip. I just went ahead and popped those bad boys on, and now to test it before putting the assembly back in. We got blinkers, we got the brake light, and if you're curious, I happen to have this stone wall, so I just took a big rock and put it on the brake pedal. And now to put this back in, you just need to line up these little nipply things, will just go right into these little kind of rubber grommets. Once you feel like you probably have it lined up, you just push it in. And now that that's pushed in, you see how it's not coming out from the outside, which is where those little pins are. We go ahead and put these bad boys back in. Obviously, hand tight first. Make sure you're not cross-threading these. Wiggle them a little if you have to. Then you just go back to business and just do a medium tight, I guess. This is a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, so I'm not really going to put any leverage on it. We'll just do these. It's rare that I've ever seen the tail light bolts to be rusted, so the odds of these just going in here pretty easily and smooth. Just do like little, go by feel. You don't want to crack these. Doesn't take much. There you go. And you're done.